Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome Vicks Vaporizer here that we have. It is a hot steam vaporizer and it is really, really nice and great to have if you are going through the rounds of sickness that we are experiencing right now. We've been sick every week. So this is great because it really puts a lot of moisture into the air, warm moisture to help break up any mucus you might have, or just kind of moisten your airways and make you feel a little bit better. It's really easy to use. It gives you great instructions on how to fill up the water and also tells you how to adjust it if there's too much steam, too little steam, or whatever you need to do, and also helps you to know how to maintain it so that it lasts a long time. I like that it has little slots to use little scented things so that you can also put in some vapor, vapor smells into the air too, like menthol. And yeah, I think it's really, really nice. It's great to have if you're sick, and that's my point of view.